If you are a student of Saitrubai Phule Pune University in second year and in fourth semester, in POC 3, there is a topic known as asymmetric synthesis and chiral synthesis. And there is kind of confusion. So in this, I'm going to actually make it clear that what is asymmetric synthesis and what is chiral synthesis. So basically, we should asking what is actually asymmetric synthesis and what is actually chiral synthesis. So asymmetric synthesis, it is also known as enantioselective synthesis. So because in asymmetric synthesis, the focus is on enantiomers, so it is known as enantioselective synthesis. And it is a selective process, okay, for production of one isomer, one enantiomer, and that too in a higher concentration or higher yield as compared to other. So this is asymmetric synthesis. And in case of the chiral synthesis, it's a synthesis of chiral compounds which are molecules that possesses chirality or they are present in enantiomeric forms. So here focus in chiral synthesis to is to prepare a chiral compounds, and in case of asymmetric synthesis the focus is the synthesis of one particular enantiomer in a higher concentration. Then second thing is why. Why is their synthesis known as asymmetric synthesis and chiral synthesis? Asymmetric synthesis, the reason why is uh, is to selectively produce a specific enantiomer. As we can see here, what is done in asymmetric synthesis, one enantiomer is selectively prepared in higher concentration. So this is the aim. And why it is done? Because most of the time they are drug or something like that, which have some biological activities or pharmacologically they are relevant form. And also the target is to minimize the other enantiomer. So we are focusing only one enantiomer. And the chiral synthesis, they are prepared for preparation of the chiral compound. And here which shows this chirality properties, and it is in general, it is not specifically for the drugs, it is the focus is on the synthesis of chiral compounds. Now the focus point asymmetric synthesis, it's a synthesis focus is on the development and utilization of chiral catalyst or chiral reagents. These are used to synthesize a particular enantiomer. And in chiral synthesis, it is focus or is concentrate on designing and implementing synthetic strategies that are used to produce a chiral compound. Okay, so and here the focus is not a method employed. The focus is on synthesis of chiral compound. Here it is synthesis of enantioselective compound. Then where it is synthesized, I mean where it is done, where it is useful. Asymmetric synthesis is used in pharmaceuticals, agrochemical, and fine chemical industries, and they are used for flavor, fragrance, and biological activity. In case of chiral synthesis, it is application has many many variety of the things with catalyst, ligands, polymers, and some other materials. Then how it is done? In case of asymmetric synthesis, it uses different methods like catalysis is there, enzymatic catalysis is there, kinetic resolution is there, chiral auxiliary based approaches are there for to carry out this asymmetric synthesis. And for chiral synthesis, here also different methods are used, like resolution technique, chiral pool synthesis, biotransformation, like this. And the last point is the scope. Asymmetric synthesis focuses mostly on the stereochemistry and the control of chirality in the chemical reactions. And chiral synthesis, it has a broader range of topics, which is focusing on chirality, asymmetric induction, chiral resolution, etc. So these are the differences between these two important concepts known as asymmetric synthesis and chiral synthesis.